is a video tutorial about the usage of motion alert features. First, how to turn on the motion alert. Click the camera settings button on the device's page. Choose motion alert and turn on enable option. Then click the return arrow back to settings page. Choose motion detection to adjust the sensitivity level. Next, you can tap detection area option. Drag the bounding box to customize the range of detection area according to your needs. The default setting is the full area. After the camera records motion, you can enter live feed page, choose Alerts tab, and select a specific date to watch alert videos. If all alerts are in picture format, you can enter camera settings page, choose motion alert option and attachment for alerts option, then tick video option to change alert format. Second, how to delete or download alert videos. There are two ways to delete or download alert videos. One is to delete or download the alert videos individually. Enter the alert page, tap more icons on the specific alert, then choose download or delete. The other is to delete or download the alert videos in batches. Tap the pencil button on the top right corner. Click select all options and tap the download or delete icon to download or delete the alert videos all at once. At last, how to turn on and set app notifications. You can go to the Me page, choose General Settings option, and find the Notification Settings section. Tap App Notification option. The app will turn to your phone settings automatically. Choose Notifications and turn on Allow Notifications option. After that, back to the app, turn on all types of notifications. Now, you can enjoy this feature.